Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change match time in eFootball. It's pretty simple, but for this you need to go inside a match and change it. So I'm going to click on match at the bottom left corner of my screen. Now once you're inside match, you can go into any one, but I will go into trial match for this video. And then over here you can select the team which you want. But I'm going to select a random team, but you can select whichever team you want. Once you select the team, you can see the little setting icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the setting icon and then click on the setting option, which is the second one from this list. From over here, the first option where it says match time, click on it. Now from over here you can change your match time. But remember, for the mobile version, only 6 minutes is available. You cannot choose any other option over here. Why? Because the mobile version is only the trial version of eFootball. If you want to unlock all of this, you need the full version, and the full version is only available for PC and console players only. So if you want that, go into PC or console and pay for eFootball, and by following the step which I showed you, you can change your match time. So that is basically how we guys can do it. After changing your match time, you can click on next and start playing your match. So I hope you understand on how we guys can change match time. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.